Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to set an out-of-office status in your Outlook calendar. This is incredibly useful for letting your colleagues and team members know when you won't be available, ensuring everyone stays informed about your schedule without having to send individual messages. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync your data. This initial step ensures you have access to all the features and tools available in Outlook. Once your email has loaded successfully, it's time to navigate to your calendar. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. Click on it to switch from your inbox view to your calendar view. This is where you'll manage all your appointments, meetings, and availability settings. Now that your calendar is open in front of you, the next step is to pick the specific date or dates when you'll be out of the office. Think about your schedule and select the day you want to mark as unavailable. Double-click on that calendar date, and this action will open an event window where you can add all the relevant details. In this event window, you'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Start by entering an event title. Something straightforward like out of office or vacation works perfectly. Then specify the dates during which you'll be unavailable. If you're going to be away for multiple days, make sure to adjust both the start and end dates accordingly. If applicable, you can also add a location, though this is optional for out-of-office events. Once you've filled in these basic details, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Here you'll find the Options section. Look for a drop-down menu labeled Show As and click on it. This drop-down controls how your availability appears to others who can view your calendar. From the options that appear, click and choose Out of Office. This setting is crucial because it visually communicates to anyone viewing your calendar that you won't be available during this time. It's a clear professional way to manage expectations and ensure no one tries to schedule meetings or tasks during your absence. After selecting Out of Office, you're almost done. Click on Save and Close to finalize your entry. This action will add the Out of Office status to your calendar, and it will now be visible to anyone who has access to your schedule. And that's it. You've successfully set an out-of-office status in your Outlook calendar, making it easy for your team to see when you're unavailable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.